Hey, Chris here, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I wanted to share with you the fastest way to complete 20 cogs and earn around £200 in 3 hours.
See, now we talk.
I'll be sharing with you what 20 cogs is and how you can make money from their website, the fastest way to complete all 20 cogs, and for those of you that watch all the way to the end, I'm even going to share with you a competition that I'm running where I'm going to select someone at random to win £100 for signing up to 20 cogs through my link, and I'll be doing that at the end of June. So if you're watching this video in June 2022, then that competition will still be live and available for you to enter. Having said all that though, and getting into the video, let's first talk about what 20 cogs does to make its money. So they are simply an affiliate website. They get paid to refer people to different companies, and what they've done is actually a really clever and cool idea. They've made it like into a fun game where you basically have these 20 cogs, as the name suggests, and each cog of the machine, if that's the way you want to look at it, each cog is like a task or a challenge, and when you complete all 20 of them, that's when you get paid out in cash. They pay you out to either your PayPal account, or if you don't have PayPal, they can do a direct bank transfer. So basically, just like this shows here, and you can see all of my cogs are green, so I have been paid out by 20 cogs already. This is an example of exactly what you would look to be finding here. So it would just be, says, what do I need to do? And then it steps it out here. So step 1, enter your details. Step 2, choose your plan from only £10 a month. And then step 3, activate the SIM and switch to Voxy. So some of the offers are, they do involve you switching companies and switching suppliers. But in the next segment of this video, I'm going to share with you different things that you can do to avoid all that kind of nonsense. Speaking of that next segment, that's exactly what we're in now. So what are the top tips that I can give you to complete 20 cogs in the fastest way possible? Because at the end of the day, we all want money fast, don't we? Everyone wants to get their money quick. We don't want to wait around for money. Of course, I understand that. It makes complete sense. Well, the very first tip that I have for you is when you go through the different cogs and you have these different offers or challenges and tasks that they give you, I would avoid any that require a subscription. So if you click on one, so as you can see here, it says you can click earn £12, or just underneath that says, or give me a new offer. Now, if it says like you have to subscribe to, whatever it is, just click on that give me a new offer button below and look for one that is not a subscription. The reason for that is you don't want to subscribe to loads of different things and then have to be, worried about, are the payments going to keep going out of my bank account and I'm going to keep getting charged for it. And it's a lot to keep track of if every single offer that you do is a subscription. A top tip actually is any offers that you have to do that are a subscription, I would seriously get a notebook and write down the name of the company that you've subscribed to and when it will auto renew and charge you again, so that you can cancel it before it auto renews. The next bit of advice I have for you in order to complete 20 cogs as fast as possible is to actually look for offers and sign-ups that are completely free trials. So that's great. You can just click onto the site, go on the free trial, and then you don't have to put your card details in or anything like that, and you have no worries of anything auto renewing there. The next thing I wanted to say is when you're going through the offers, actually read all the terms and conditions of each one very carefully. So as we can see on this one here, on the right hand side for each cog, you will have the full terms and conditions that you need to follow in order to get your cog completed as green. So when you first just do the cog, the very first try, it'll go to yellow, which will be pending, and then it has to go green and say confirmed on all 20 for you to get paid. So don't worry about if you have done one and it's finished, but it's still only amber. After a few days, normally they then just turn green. But that's the main thing I wanted to mention here is, check the terms and conditions for no auto renewals or anything that you might not be happy with. You don't have to do any of these. You can just click give me a new offer and go to one that you'll be happy with. The next helpful tip I wanted to share with you is actually go for casino offers that have good terms and conditions. So if you see a casino offer that says, deposit £10 and wager it, and then the cog will be completed. That's fantastic because you can, if you've heard about match betting, most of the subscribers of the channel will know what match betting is. But what you can do is you can deposit that £10, do 110p spins to keep the variance down, and it's highly likely that you will, on average, only lose a small amount of money. I mean, worst case scenario, you could lose your whole £10. Yes, that is possible. But doing it that way, of 100 spins at 10 pence each, on average, you would look to be losing about 50 pence from wagering a tenner. And that's great there because 20 cogs normally on those kind of offers are going to pay you £20. So you're just getting paid 20 quid, but it's only costing you on average 50p. Now, they're my top tips with how to get completed on 20 cogs as quick as possible. If you'd like a chance to earn an extra £100 paid to you from myself personally, what you would need to do, if I show you here on the laptop, is just click onto the Profit Boss website through the link I'll leave, of course, below in the description, and it'll bring you to this page, so 20 cogs June challenge. And what you can do, you just scroll down and go to instructions to enter, and it's literally just 3 steps. So sign up to 20 cogs by clicking here. That is my referral link. So thank you so much if you do go through my link. I do appreciate it. Step 2, it just says complete tasks until all 20 cogs are either amber or green. So if you've not got them all green, that's fine. They can, all 20 cogs could be amber and you can still get involved with this. But as long as you then email me, so step 3, email me with a screenshot of your cogs in amber or green at csimcox111@live.com, or you can just click that link and it'll take you over to the email. But if you email me with a screenshot of them in those colors there, what I can do is, there is only one person that's emailed me at the moment, so thank you, Andre, for letting me know. He sent me a screenshot of all 20 of his cogs in green. So right now, on the 1st of July, I'll be live streaming on the Profit Boss Facebook group, and that's what it says here. So on July 1st, I'll live stream and select the winner from the list below, and I'll put the replay for anyone that misses the live stream. The replay will be on the Facebook group, and then I've even put you can join here. So if you're not on the Profit Boss Facebook group yet, you can click join here there. And yeah, as I say, Andre is the only person there, so if no one else joins now, I'll literally not even bother doing a live stream. I'll just give 100 quid to Andre. But that is going to do it for this video. If you've had any value whatsoever, please do press the like button below. And until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.